but that's what I like. We're separate but we're together, like stars in the sky.